So, after working with thousands of beginners, I've collected real life data on why people fail, why they quit, and compare that to those who succeed to analyze what they did. And in this super short video, I'm getting directly to the point and listing out the three biggest mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid these pitfalls before diving into the world of e commerce, especially moving into 2025. And before we dive in, quick introduction. My name's Collins Ecom, and the reason I'm qualified to teach you this information is because I've been dropshipping for almost 5 years now, having generated 11 million in sales. I'm a member of the Forbes Business Development Council, currently managing around 2 million per month in e-com sales from our portfolio brands. So with that aside, let's jump right into this. Mistake number one is setting bad expectations. So, obviously, with drop shipping or any business model in general, people come into this thinking it's going to be easier than it actually is. Try not to believe a single thing you hear on the internet and understand that people's results and success stories are always over exaggerated. And the cold, harsh reality of dropshipping is that there's a massive learning curve required before making your first penny. If I can set proper expectations in your head right now and you truly understand it may potentially take thousands of dollars and months, years of your time before finding success, and you know that it'll inevitably work after time, then the process becomes fun. You don't get your hopes up for something that won't happen and don't quit. Okay, so in short, set a long term goal and you're good to go. Mistake number two is improper time allocation. Okay, beginners always don't understand what to allocate their time towards and in turn invest weeks of their time doing something that was irrelevant. That's called entrepreneurship. You need to follow a proven path and not listen to bad advice. And the most useful advice I could give to anyone is that first, you need to research and study marketing psychology because that's all dropshipping is marketing. Here's a few great books I'd suggest you start reading on the screen. All right. After reading these, you'll be set. This entire business model is predicated around your abilities to sell strangers things on the internet. If you understand the science behind what gets people to purchase subconsciously and what captures attention online, it's almost like a secret hack to beating out 99% of your competitors because no one else is actually reading and studying these topics. Okay, but anyways, after you have an amazing grasp on marketing psychology, then invest your time into pre-market research, analyze gaps in the market, study brands, study different niches, and then finally start looking for a product that matches the gap you found in X, Y, or Z markets. Okay, don't jump steps too quickly. And lastly, mistake number three is not testing enough. I see this happen literally every single day. Once someone starts marketing their products, they only push out a few videos, a few ads, they test maybe a few products, and then boom, they quit. In reality, you're actually going to have to do this hundreds of times like a psychopath before perfecting your craft and finding a winner. Okay, winning ad creatives, winning organic content, winning products, etc., etc. You have to test everything. And after you've compiled all the knowledge you've ever possibly need, you need to understand the path you're going down 100% and just execute and do nothing else. Viciously execute and do the same crap over and over and over, just as if you were trying to break down a wall with a hammer. Just keep swinging. Trust the process and never quit. And once you get past the trenches, the beginning stage of business, then it turns into one of the easiest and most profitable ways to make money online. Genuinely. I can make money anytime I want from anywhere in the world because I perfected the craft. Just please don't quit. Please don't quit because the other side of hard work is a new income for you and your family. If you want to learn exactly how I go about starting new brands, check out the video right on the top of the screen. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.